Hi, it's Chris. Today's video will be super short because honestly I ran into a bit of a problem this week. So here's my QNAP 6-bay NAS. Normally an amazing device for managing all my data. Unfortunately, it recently stopped working. I wasn't too stressed because all my data is properly backed up on another device. Still, I wanted to get it back up and running as soon as possible. After some basic troubleshooting, I started to suspect the power supply. It uses somehow unusual 4-pin connector, not a barrel one, so I hoped on Google to look for a replacement one. And I was honestly shocked. €100 for a 120 watt power supply? It should cost like €20. And even worse, the delivery time, 15 to 22 days. Clearly it's shipped from China. Thankfully, I finally managed to get a new power supply in a bit shorter time, but for a bit more money. Installed it, and yes, it fixed the issue. But honestly, I believe every QNAP user should be aware of this potential problem. Considering how bad the availability was, I'm seriously thinking about ordering a second power supply as a backup, just in case. This one lasts for 5 years. Not that long, I would also say. But just for a backup, I should have the second one. And for now, the network attached storage is up and running again. RAID is synchronizing because it was not properly closed. And I'm ready to get back to work on new content for you. Thank you for sticking around and see you next week with more DIY project updates and Gear topics. Thank you.